Today guys, how to perfectly pan fry a salmon fillet. So let's do it. Really quick video today, no recipe, just a how-to showing you how I cook this beautiful fish. You want your salmon pretty much as fresh as you can get it. Look at that skin, absolutely delightful. We're gonna need a pan, of course. And so you want to pop a frying pan on the hob, turn the heat to a good medium, and we're going to be using some olive oil. So pour in enough olive oil to just cover the bottom of the pan. And the way I do it is very simple. It's almost kind of like a shallow fry. Fairly generous with the olive oil. I go in with a nice knob of butter, not too hot. And as soon as the butter melts into the oil and you start getting a little bit of foaming and flickering, season the salmon, and that goes in skin side down. And essentially we're gonna cook it 90% of the time on the skin. We're gonna get the skin really crispy. We're gonna get a bit of crispness to the top meat. The center is gonna be just beyond translucent, really succulent, moist, and unbelievably delicious. So let's get going. Get your salmon ready. So go in with a little knob of butter. And the way I do it, as soon as that butter is completely melted and starts to sizzle, season and in. That's what we want. Season lightly with a little pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper on both sides, of course. And then you want to lay the salmon into the pan, and we're going to lay it in and away. And we're going to be cooking the salmon for about 90% of the cooking time on the skin and the other 10% on the flesh. We want that skin to get really nice and crispy. Press it down so you get good contact with the bottom of the pan. As you can see, the meat starts to tighten ever so slightly. And the first step, you want to cook it for about 2 minutes on the skin. We want the flesh to be cooked through just to the point where it turns from translucent, but we want it nice and soft, moist and succulent. Keep an eye on the heat, little micro adjustments if you need. All in all, this is probably going to take about 4 to 5.5 minutes. After you've done it a couple of times, you'll know where you are. Experience is everything. You can see here, looks like it's cooked about 1/3 from the bottom up. So at this point, very gently, turn it over. Already that is getting crispy. Literally 35-40 seconds on the flesh. Now back. We're getting a bit of crispiness on top of the flesh. Hit the sides very, very quickly. Back down on that skin. So we're about 3.5 minutes in. That skin is beautifully crisp. About 40 seconds to finish it off on the flesh. Another little tip, what we want to do is lay it flesh side down on our board. Lay the salmon onto the board, and another really important step, not always done with fish, is you want to let it rest for a little while. And we want this to rest for about 2 minutes. Not too long, just enough. Listen to that. Super crispy, soft, moist, perfect. And then after a couple of minutes, we're ready to go. So pop your salmon on a plate. You can serve it with whatever you like. This method is really simple, foolproof, and you get great results. That skin is so crispy. The flesh is really moist, soft, delicious. That is amazing salmon. Beautifully and perfectly just flaking apart. Look at that. There we go, can you see that there? It's just turned from being translucent. Perfect. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time.